So now we look at pounds USD. We look at pounds USD. These are my favorite pairs. I go for gold USD, pounds USD, euro USD, and then I can still check out any other market I see that is giving me a clear formation. So let me get these guys off so that we'll be able to understand what we are doing. So like I said, I usually start with weekly time frame. So usually starting with weekly time frame. Uh, Looking at the weekly time frame, you have to first identify the trend of the market, or you look at the key zones, that the key resistance level where the market is, or the key support level of the market. That is just my major aim of looking at the 1 week time frame. Just want to understand the key level of this market so that I will now know what I'm expecting on the market. So I will use my rectangular to identify the key level I'm seeing on this market on the 1 week time frame. So having identified my key level here, I will now be able to go down to the lower time frame to see what is really happening on the lower time frame on the markets. So this is the key level I can see on my pounds USD. I will now go down to my 4 hours time frame to check out what is happening on the 4 hours time frame. So coming to 4 hours time frame, here now I can now be able to identify my trend lines to know if there is a breakout or not. I can take out a trend line here to look at what is happening on this market. This is pounds. So with this trend line, we have a touch here, we have a touch here, and there is a touch here. So this is where we have a breakout. This is where we have a breakout on this trend line. And once I see a breakout, my eye is always open, looking for a retest on this breakout. Then I know that we are good to go on shorts. There is a breakout here, and it's gonna be a retest, and I know that we are good to go on shorts. So looking at the pounds, we're also expecting a short market on these pounds. Let's go down to 30 minutes time frame. Let's get this guy off. So back to the 30 minutes time frame, you see that there is a zone here, but my expectation on this 30-minute time frame is also a sell. So I'm expecting this guy to at least get to here before it starts selling down. So I'm expecting this guy to at least get to here, which is this zone. If he did not get to this in trade line it broke out, at least it should get to this zone, which looking at the 200 MA is a support for the 200 is a resistance for the 200 MA on the 30 minutes time frame. So there's a possibility of it respecting the 200 MA or respecting this zone before it starts selling down. If I have my entry here, if I have my sell limit up there, I can have my sell limit here. But now, if I want to open this market on zero point 0.5, I can have my sell limit here on zero point 0.3 and also have my sell limit up here on zero point 0.2. So if this triggers and never gets to here, I'm in the market. If it triggers and still break out to trigger here, I'm also in a good advantage and have my stop loss where I know that it's above this zone. and well secured, depending on the amount you're trading on. Depends on the amount you're trading on. So here in the pounds, we're also looking at a sell position to enter when the market is on.